在美国加州的东北部，最近发生火烧山的灾情，而且一个烧是烧甲真正力。加州从初六开始，2万英亩的林地是已经规个拢烧了了。也那伫咧纽约西州，从10月份以来是已经发生超过500件森林大火，有要1200万人伫咧这野火警戒范围内，而且有一个18岁消防员伫咧拍火的时阵不幸罹难。
新年当中，野火一直燃烧美国东北部的火场，还未得到控制。为新泽西州西米福尔德开始的火灾，已经拖到纽约州电郡，烧超过2500英亩的土地。
Currently, the fire is 2,500 acres. We have 0% containment.
We haven't had a fall fire season like this in New York since 2002. Something to this magnitude as far as the dry drought conditions that we're currently experiencing.
纽约警方指出，一个18岁消防人员在拍火时阵，遭倒落去的树仔撞到，不幸罹难。今年秋天，美国东北部几个州无正常大数，纽泽西州已经1个月无落雨创下纪录。为10月初以来，已经发生超过500件野火，野火空气品质有够歹，建筑陷入火海，大火一直拖。加州为初六开始爆发新一波野火，南加州有几啊千居民经济体力超过100栋建筑烧了了。
The mountain fire is currently at 20,630 acres and 14% containment. There are over 2,000 personnel currently engaged in fighting this fire.
So far, we've been able to repopulate 3,500 homes. However, there are still 2,000 homes that are not repopulated. Also, Highway 118 still remains closed.
好佳在天气改善，风势大大减少，湿度升悬，消防人员伫拍发野火已经有进展。公司新闻台为前朋友。